how to appear offline in Roblox. Are you popular and everyone wants to play Roblox with you? I've got you covered. Let's start right into the video. First, open Roblox and go to settings. Next, navigate to the privacy tab. Here, you can adjust the settings to appear offline, so your friends won't see you online. Here's what you need to do. Set communication to off. This will allow you to change specific community settings. Under how can text chat with me in the app, set it to no one. Also, for how can text chat with me, select no one. Next, scroll all the way down to the other settings section. Here, adjust the following. Set how can make me a member of their private server to no one. For who can join me in experiences, choose no one. 10. Set update friends about my activity to no. Finally, set who can see my inventory to no one. And here we go. Now you know how to appear offline in Roblox. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.